Easy guys, so we're doing ADS1 Goofy, little remix. I'm going to play through. Cool, that's one bit. Cool, okay guys, so first of all let's go through the drums. Kick. These kicks and drums came from the J Mizzy kit, the trap kit. Link below if you want that one. It's in the free members Patreon. I just relax that kick a little bit with the track delay. So like I say, I copied this beat completely. This is not my tune at all. Drums, we've got transient, softening the transients this time, and then we've got the clipper, quite high without. Okay, so we just want to see what going with that one. But if we look inside, we've got the snare and the clap. The clap is just like this, and then the snare. And then we could even just go down a little bit so that the snare's slightly rushed. Usually works. Could add another transient shaper to that snare if we wanted. The hi-hats now. Cool, so that's a manual swing that I've written in there. Main hat is this one. So it's a bit of a UK drill, like pattern. A few filler notes in between. Then the sub here. Got mono on it 'cause it's super simple. Randoms down. We've got the okay, so this is what's going on. Let me save it like that. These will be in next month's Patreon. All of these sounds will be in next month's Patreon, guys. We've got PD from B, and we're coming into the same octave on the same sine wave. And we've got a filter. That's about it. Later in the track, we've got the macro here. So we're just working with 1/4 and 1/8. Classic dubstep. That's your sub, okay, so that's in mono. Got the gate, just sidechain it to the kick. And then these cymbals here, bit of a reverse cymbal. So a bit of tension and then a bit of release on this one. Yeah, could probably put some delay, echo and all this on that one, widen it up. But for the sake of this one, now the mid groups, this is probably the main thing. We've got cutting out the sub. We've got the wider, but we're going mono up until here, and then we're spreading. So just spreading them top frequencies. Got the bus compression, maybe that should have come first, just by -2 dB, like that one and that one. Turn it up a bit. Got the limiter, full attack, slow release, oversampling can go on. We've got the CPU for it, but let's take a look inside. Now, like I say, all these sounds are going to be in next month's Patreon. There is similar sounds in this month's Patreon. Depends what month you're looking at. These will be in February's. Cool, so it's not that one, it's actually this one. We've bounced it. Cool, so this one and this one, this is a more opened out version of this first one. So let's have a look what we've got. We've got FFT add seconds, and this is the wub here. Weird shape, but I've smoothed it out. And obviously you can just mess with the smooth. Bit of section like that, a bit more smooth in another section. And remember, we've got the mid cut out of the group, so there's no sub, because it's going to match our sub. Nice. Okay, so that's all we're looking at there. I've got 0 effects on that one. It's just that FFT add seconds, so a really good wave with a filter. This crazy one here, which turned into this audio with the clipper and the reverb. But inside it is, this one is also in the preset in the Patreon, sine wave and triangle wave, 3 octaves, PD from B. Got this shape here and then smoothed it out again. Remember to smooth it out, guys. Then you've got your tension and release again, Neuro glitch, just a bit more effects, and then another section here, the next bass. Got the infiltrator, bit of reverb on that, bit of EQ, but the main culprit. We've got the sub, remember subs took out the group there. FFT add seconds again, wubbing the wavetable position, but this time it's FM from B. And it's 1 octave. Then we've got this cut off filter, might sound a bit cooler. Sometimes you can tighten it up a bit. Save this one. Cool. Now I did break away from the actual song on this section. He does do that bass, which is super cool, and he carries it on, which is a really good idea. I just got a bit bored and added this bass in between, and it's just this infiltrator. Now I do feel like I'm cheating a bit with the infiltrator because I'm using presets, which I never do, but nothing wrong with presets, guys, obviously, and sometimes it is just give it some interest, but I'm going to look more into the infiltrator. So we've got the AB, cool. So that one is also in the folder, and it's got so there's 1, 2, and then a triplet, and it's on half a bar. Pretty cool bass with the reverb from the... Got this dip here, dipped it at 210 and dipped it at 2000. Saw the Virtual Riot video about this Fletcher Munson curve. If you've not seen that Virtual Riot video, it's pretty sick, very interesting. Okay guys, that's it. Play it out. Link below if you want free sample packs and presets and all that stuff. If you want to ask me a question, just put it in the comment section. I answer the comments.